to get Meta AI on WhatsApp, iPhone, iOS. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get Meta AI on your WhatsApp using your iPhone or your iOS device. So first of all you have to do is just simply go to your preferred browser. I'm using Chrome browser in my device, and after that on the search bar just simply search for WhatsApp new version. And as soon as you click on WhatsApp new version, you will be able to see a bunch of different websites. Just simply go for the trusted website where you can download the WhatsApp application in your iOS device. So just simply click on the one that you like, that you preferred. And after that, just simply scroll down. And over here, you will be able to see the different version of the WhatsApp that are available in this particular website. So just simply select the latest version of the WhatsApp for your iOS or your iPhone device. And after that, just simply go for the latest version, which is the May. So just simply click on the first one. And after that, just download this particular application in your mobile device. And as soon as you download the latest version of the WhatsApp in your iPhone or your iOS device, the Meta AI will also be there in your WhatsApp account. Since the WhatsApp has rolled out the Meta AI version update recently in the WhatsApp for the users, so it may take some time for the Meta AI version to roll out in your particular region. So if you don't see the Meta AI update in your WhatsApp account as of now, don't panic. In some time, you will be able to see the Meta AI feature in your WhatsApp account anyways, because the update has been rolled out. It will show slowly and steadily in all the regions all around the world. So this is basically how you will be able to get Meta AI on WhatsApp using your iPhone or your iOS device. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.